Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to change chat theme on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Tap on three horizontal lines, which are located at the upper left corner of the screen. Now, tap on Settings from the menu. Under the Settings section, you will see the Chat Settings option. Tap on it. Now choose the theme you want from the Color Theme section. And you will change the chat theme on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to change the chat theme on Telegram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.